Mastering adverbs of frequency. Become a pro at English conversation. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to take a deep dive into an important topic of English grammar: adverbs of frequency. Adverbs of frequency help us explain how often something happens. They can make your English more precise and interesting, so let's get started. Adverbs of frequency tell us how often an action happens. They can express an event happening always, frequently, often, sometimes, rarely, or never. Examples include always, never, rarely, sometimes, often, usually, and always. Here is a general list in order from most frequent to least frequent. 1. Always, 100% of the time. 2. Usually, around 80% of the time. 3. Often, more than half the time. 4. Sometimes, around 50% of the time. 5. Rarely, less than half the time. 6. Never, 0% of the time. Adverbs of frequency usually go before the main verb, except with the verb to be. When to be is the main verb, we place the adverb of frequency after it. Examples: I always drink coffee in the morning. Before the main verb, drink. She is often late for work. After the verb to be. Note: if there are auxiliary verbs such as can, may, have, will, etc., the adverb of frequency goes after the auxiliary verb. Examples: we have sometimes gone for a movie after work. They will often visit their grandparents on the weekends. Be careful not to confuse adverbs of frequency with adverbs of time. Adverbs of time, like yesterday, today, or tomorrow, tell us when something happens, not how often. Well, that's it for today's lesson on adverbs of frequency. I hope this video has been helpful in understanding and using these adverbs more confidently in your daily English conversations. Remember, practice makes perfect, so try to use these adverbs as much as you can. See you in our next lesson. Happy learning!